I'm really passionate about the sound of Pittsburgh. And I think we have many great artists that's even come out of the history of music in Pittsburgh is rich. I really feel in the last 5 to 7 years there's been a renaissance in Pittsburgh of the music. But what I've been kind of noticing, most of the artists are kind of even trying to mimic a New York sound, a West Coast sound, a New Orleans sound, and they do it well. But there are sounds in Pittsburgh that are germane to Pittsburgh, and I want to really champion that. So when you hear a certain voice, a unique voice, we could say KST.
Friends act how could I get myself for what it belongs someone else. Hey, they just don't know that your love's so good that